I'm Eric Nielsen. I took over Sugar River Machine back in December of 2020, and now we're taking it to Sugar River 2.0 to get that growth strategy in play. We've kind of first expanded the building on some, doubled the production square footage here, and also had added some more CNC equipment. So you see the 3 Mazaks behind me, and also some quick turns in the front of the shop here. Early on, we invested in a multitasking machine, one of the quick turn 8MY. You know, it was uncharted territory, and kind of our model is saying, hey, you want to keep reinvesting, keeping the shop up to date, technology-wise, otherwise. The individual down the street, you know, across the country is always reinvesting, and you're going to get caught in their dust. The mill that's closest to me here has the largest table that we have, so we can put down some large plates, drill, tap, counterboard, you know, whatever the customer dimensions need and their specs are. We do all programming at the machines, so we don't do any offline programming. So all our machinists program and set up their machines at their stations live right on Mazak. And as part of the Sugar River 2.0 expansion, we've had more equipment out there, more manpower, more capabilities. We've kept our current customer base, we've expanded, and also within our current customer base, for example, if we were just doing 5 SKUs, now we're doing 20 SKUs with them. We try to be a one-stop shop. So there is a Sugar River. Have I stepped foot in Sugar River? No, but that's on the list to do this summer. Take a little kayak and go down there. It's just a couple minutes away down the road. That is on the list to get to this this summer.